Morning guys, in front of me is TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper, and let me show you how to remove Google account. At first, open the settings. From settings list, select accounts, and here mark the account that you want to remove. Now just click on remove account icon, confirm that you want to get rid of all account data, tap on OK, and now provide either your fingerprint, pattern, PIN code, whatever you have, whatever you use. And that's it. As you can see, it has been removed. Then whenever you want to add your Google account, just mark it here, and let me just go back, as it's for passwords. So mark on add account, choose Google, and then provide all necessary details once you've got your network connected. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.